a hot mess.
YouTube, what's up? How you doing today? It's me, Mahogany G. My gosh. Oh, that new ball smell. Wow.
Alright, so you see me struggling right here. I am trying to cut it, guys. So now I'm all done. And I'm trying a little feet meat, a little more feet meat there. Opening it up, getting all the balls out of it. And now I'm just showing it for reference, showing you guys what it would look like on my feet. Just showing you a little more cam. All right, going back to it. Now I want to start gluing it all together, showing you my little mini glue gun, and then showing you how I put it all together. Didn't like that hole right there, so we don't care. We're just going to keep chugging. No, because really look at this. This looks like a hot mess. Guys, who told me it was okay for me to think that I can create these shoes? But hey, if you are still here watching, would you guys recreate these shoes? Another thing, would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comments below. Right now I'm testing out these shoes, and these shoes are super bouncy. And I'm giving you name brand, and this is great value. But I tried though, and that's all that matters. Right now I already gave up, and I'm giving you the salute that I'm leaving soon. Bye!
No games. All they play a GTA.